Oh wow, that is actually the drive-through. Going around and coming in. Oh my god. I have no idea what this is about to try. Folks, this is my first time experimenting with this. It's a drive-through car wash. I have a membership. I have been here before. However, I've never had that route show up on the screen. I don't know what it's going to do at the turnstile or at the gate. You know, it needs to stop and wait for the gate to go up because it needs to read the thing on my window. I need to be ready to take over here. I really don't know how it's going to line itself up and go into neutral in the car wash. That would just be autonomy to me. A car thinking for itself, figuring out what to do at a car wash. Okay, we have a Jeep coming around the trees. So far, it's beautiful. Oh wow, this guy's gonna swing wide for sure. Wow, look at that. Car's waiting. Recognize that there may not be room. Let's see what we've got. It's following the route. Man. See, this is a Jiffy Lube. We've got manual wash bays back there. Alright, car wash on the right, Jiffy Lube to the left. Okay, hit the brakes there. Let's see, what is it going to do for this guy? There is no plastic turnstile here. No gated arm. What would be amazing is if it went into car wash mode after talk. You know, this guy's got to scan this thing on the window. See, my car knows not to go into the self-service bay. This is pretty amazing. Come on, buddy. What are you selling here? Somebody paying with cash? What's going on? My car is way more patient than I am.
How's it going today?
It's going good.
All right. Have a great day and happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. You too. Okay, we're gonna move. Oh my God, I didn't touch it. I did not touch it. I was about to hit the pedal. Oh my God. This is way too tight to line up to. You gotta be kidding me. Are you kidding me? Okay. I can't believe my car got all the way to there by itself. All the way.
I thought that's what it was doing the second you took your hands off.
I had never touched it. Past your guy, he marked the window, everything. It went all the way to the front, right there, and then hit your rail a little bit or whatever, and then it started going nuts.
Like, I think it almost was watching me.
It might.
I said go this way and it flung back this way. I
can try it again.
That is really cool.
I could try it again right after this. I can't believe it made it to there. It was lining up. I was like, holy crap.
This car is smart.
Yeah. Hang on. No, hold on. Okay. All right. Enable car wash mode. That was unbelievable. That was just unbelievable.